It's not. Oh my god. Okay, we have to start again. Hold on.
Why? Why was it not going?
I have to gas it. Here, cut it.
Really?
Just cut a little bit.
It should be fine, no matter what. I mean,
Hello. Nothing bad happened. We didn't break down or anything. We just happened to get gas at the right time.
that'll make it way better. Alright, chill.
I'm gassing.
Hi.
Good morning.
Waiting for my car to warm up.
We made it.
I actually had some good sleep, not gonna lie.
Yeah, me too. I had a deep ass dream.
I had a dream about kissing a girl, and then that girl turned into like a fucking character.
Why?
It's not the rated part.
This is the next week, right?
Yeah.
Or-
I can type it. It's crazy though.
Into the Tesla.
Did you get my glove?
Whatever.
Hey, could you get my gloves? I'm just gonna.
This is the status of the RV at the moment. I just went snowboarding. And I got class in a bit. I think I might just do Zoom on my phone. Yeah, and then I'll just use my phone, my laptop to do whatever I want. Wait, Susan, I'm scared. How do I do this? Susan, how do I play it? Okay, fine. I just gotta boss up. Yeah, I know. All the environmental is starting to come for me. Eat on the pan, just put like a shrimp or something in there. Please, Vincent. I'm hearing this wrong.
Sniffed it. I know we friends, but
Finally making our way out of North Star Ski Resort, which is where we skied for the week. We're skiing for the week. And we just ran our generator to fully charge our laptops and our phones and stuff. And now we're just rolling up to the Rayleigh's, which is a grocery store. Just to, like, honestly, to poo and get water for a water bottle. Probably more.
no, I kept it at 30.
Really?
30
Because those are like $2 each. There's hella. Hold on. Cold. Freaking cold, guys. Oh, that sounds so bad. We really splurged on this one. This was like third equivalent to like 6 meals if you got ramen. Anyway, I'm gonna drive after my nose is finished bleeding. Look at this. What was I doing? Oh, I'm right to my nose today. Road dog. Tell me where to go.
We're good. Good to go. You literally just drive straight until you see the 76, then you turn right.
Solo female van life. Damn, if I was alone, this would be us already freaking out when Swinson was in the bathroom getting water. Likes and I'll throw this at Swinson. Okay, we have to record it for when I get 10 likes.
Wait, what do you mean record it for when you get 10 likes?
What do you mean?
You're still gonna do it either way then! So we're gonna upload the video after they do it? This is stupid. You're already gonna do it.
No!
Might as well just upload it.
And then the 10 likes. Where'd it go? Shit. Oh no, it melted in. I have to find another one.
Oh my.
10 likes and I'll throw this at Swinson.
You threw it anyways! You threw it anyways! I'm throwing it back at you.
No, you didn't get any likes.
Okay, guys. 10 likes and I'll throw this at Mary Gail. Oh shit!
No!
Oh shit.
Dude, my phone's fucked. My phone's... Wait, hold on, my phone's actually getting fucked. There's water in it. Oh shit.